Okay, Mr. Sarthak. So, what is the answer of question number 1A? This would be equal, this fraction would be equal to
1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5.
1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, perfect. This would be equal to
5 by 5 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5.
5 by 5 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. Perfect. Third one,
4 by 6 minus 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 6.
you have taken these non-shaded. So you have written this as 4 by 6 and you have written this as 3 by 6. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So 4 by 6 minus 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 6. So in this case, you have taken the unshaded circles. Okay, perfect. Very nice. Okay, so this would be equal to
2 by 18.
2 by 80.
Yes, sir.
1 plus 1 is equal to 2 by 80. Then I can write 2 by 18 as 1 by 9. Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So your final answer should be 1 by 9. It shouldn't be 2 by 18. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
This would be equal to
1 by 3.
8 plus 3 upon 15. 11 upon 15. This is what you have written?
So I subtracted
No, it is addition 1. Okay.
1,
This is equal to?
2 by 7.
Perfect. Very nice. This would be equal to?
1 or 22 by.
Yes. This would be equal to 22 by 22. Would be equal to 1. Okay. This would be equal to?
1 by 1 by 1 by 3.
1 by 3. Perfect. 1 by 3. Very nice. This would be equal to?
1 by 4.
Very nice. Okay. This would be equal to?
1 by 3.
So I can write 1 as 3 by 3. So this would be equal to 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3 is equal to 3 minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. Very nice. This would be equal to?
1 by 4.
Perfect. Because 0 upon 4 would be 0. 0 upon any other number, any number except 0 would be equal to 0. Very nice. 1 by 4 plus 0 is equal to 1 by 4. Very nice. This would be equal to?
12 by 5.
You wrote 3 as, what did you write 3 as?
Sir, I didn't even subtract this one. I forgot. I'll just get.
So I can write 3 as 15 by 5 minus 12 by 5. Is it okay? Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So this would be equal to 3 by 5. Is there a problem?
No, sir.
Very nice. Okay. So Shubham painted 2 by 3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhuri and painted 1/3 of the wall space How much did they paint together? What would be the answer?
3 by 3.
3 by 3 is equal to 1.
1.
So in this case, 1 implies that they were able to finish whole of the wall.
Yes, sir.
2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 by 3 is equal to 1. This 1 implies that they were able to finish whole wall space. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Perfect. Okay. What will be the answer of question 4a?
3 by 10.
Okay. So this, I want to write this as 10. And this should be minus 4. So that I get a 3 here. So should I write 4 by 10 here? And 4 by 10 is equal to 2 by 5. So my answer would be 2 by 5. Mr. Sarthak, is there a doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. What should I write here?
5 by 20. No.
See, the answer that I want is 5. 5 upon.
8 by 20.
So I should write 3 here.
8 by
8 minus 3 upon 21. So this would be equal to 8 upon 21 minus 3 upon 21. So the answer here would be 8 upon 21. Mr. Sarthak, is there a problem?
No, sir.
What should I write here?
6 by 6.
Okay. So if I write 6 minus 3, the answer that I will get is 3 by 6. So you are correct. I should write here 6 by 6. Very nice. What should I write in the D part?
7 by 27.
7 by 27. Very nice. Let us see what you did. So I can write this as 27 plus 5. I should write here something which will make this 12. So I will write here 7. So equal to 7 upon 27 plus 5 upon 27. So 7 upon 27 I would write here. Perfect. Very nice. Okay. Question 5th.
2 by 7.
Okay. Let us understand the question. Javed was given 5/7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of orange was left in the basket? So if this is the basket and Javed was given, let us assume this is 5 by 7. So he was given 5 by 7. The whole basket I can write as 1. 1 I can write as 7 by 7. So from 7 by 7, I subtract 5 by 7. The answer that I get is 2 by 7. Mr. Sarthak, is there a problem?
No, sir.
So 2/7 of the oranges. 2/7 of the oranges. So this part is 2/7. Very nice. Is there any problem in adding the fractions, Sarthik?
No, sir.
See, in all these fractions that we have done, one thing that you need to understand is all fractions had same denominators. For example, I was adding 2 by 7 and 3 by 7, or I was subtracting 5 by 7 minus 3 by 7. So the fraction that I have done till now, here the denominator is the same. I haven't done a fraction like 2 by 7 plus 3 by 4 or 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Mr. Sarthak, have you understood? In this case, the denominators are different.
LCM.
Denominators are different. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
So, we need to understand that I have to do questions like these, where the denominators are different. What should I do? Mr. Sarthak, what do you think I should do?
So we have to find the LCM and make them like half.
Yes, sir, you are correct. Absolutely correct. So, for example, if I had to do 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. The first step that I need to do is find LCM of denominators. What will be the LCM?
21.
3 and 7. 3 1 the 7. 7 1 the LCM is 21. Then I should write 2 by 3. I should write 2 by 3 in its equivalent fraction, where the denominator is 21. So what should I write in the numerator?
14.
14. Perfect. I should write 1 by 7. I should make the denominator as 21. So what will be the numerator?
3. C.
3. See, usually what students do is they find the LCM. This is what they do. 3 into 7 and 2 into 7 plus 7 into 3 and 1 into 3. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is, I think, easier way of doing it. And then, of course, when you do this also, again, you will get the same answer. The answer would be the same. So 2 into 7 is 14. 3 into 7 is 21. 1 into 3 is here. 7 into 3 is here. And therefore, the answer of this would be Mr. Sarthak,
17 by 21.
17 by 21. Perfect. Again, if I make a very simple change, for example, I write minus here. So this will be a very small change because rest all the steps will be same. I'll just have to subtract. So therefore the answer would be
11 by 21.
11 by 21. Perfect. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is a case where denominators are different. So in these cases, the first step that you need to do is find the LCM of the denominators. Then you need to write the equivalent fraction. So that the denominators of the two fractions are same. Once you have made the denominator same by writing the equivalent fractions, rest is easy. Mr. Sarthak, is there a doubt?
No, sir.
We'll do a lot of practice questions, and if there is any doubt, we can discuss. Okay, in this case, what will be the LCM of 10 and 15, Mr. Sarthak?
Five. Sorry.
2 the 10, 5, 3 the. I need one here. So I'll again do 2, 3, 3, 1. So my LCM would be
30.
30. Perfect. So I have to write 3 by 10 as a fraction whose denominator is 30. And I have to write 7 by 15 again as a fraction whose denominator is 30. So what should I write here?
Nine by 30 and 14 by 15.
Perfect. See, once you have found the LCM, so 10 into 3, 3 into 3 plus 15 into 2 and 7 into 2. So either you can do it orally, or you can write this step also. If you are confused, you can write this step also. Usually I've seen kids writing like this. So the answer will be Mr. Sarthak, what will be the answer? Is there any confusion?
So can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can.
But you couldn't hear me.
Okay. So have you got the answer as 23 by 30?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will be the LCM of this?
$63.
63. My answer would be 63. I can write 4 by 9 as something upon 63 plus 2 by 7 I can again write as something upon 63. What should I write here? Mr. Sarthak?
$28 by 63 and 18 by 63.
And when I add these, my answer would be
46 by 63.
Wash. Very nice. This would be my answer. In the next question, what would be the LCM of 7 and 3?
21.
21. So 5 by 7 would be something upon 21. 1 upon 3 would be something upon 21. What should I write here? What should I write here?
35 by 21 and 7 by 21.
So 7, 3 the 21, therefore 5, 3 the 50. And 3, 7 the 21 and 1 into 7 would be 7. Is there any problem?
No, sir.
What would be the final answer?
22 by 21.
16 plus 7 would be equal to 23 upon 21. Is there any problem?
No, sir.
What would be the LCM of 5 and 6?
30.
30. So 2 by 5 I can write as something upon 30. And 1 upon 6 I can write as something upon 30. So what should I write here and what should I write here?
12 and 5.
So 5 6 the 30, 6 2 the 12, and 6 5 the 30. What would be the final answer?
17 by 30.
Perfect. Very nice. What is the LCM of this?
15.
15. What should I write here and what should I write here?
12 by 15 and 10 by 15.
And what would be the answer?
22 by 15.
22 by 15. Perfect, Mr. Sarthak. What would be the LCM of this?
12.
12. Very nice. So the fraction would be something upon 12 plus something upon 12. Something upon 12 minus something upon 12. Because there is a minus in between. What should I write here and what should I write here?
9 by 4 and 4 by 12.
9 by 12 and 4 by 12. What will be my final answer?
5 by 12.
5 by 12. Perfect. What would be the LCM here?
6.
6 would be the LCM. So I can write the fraction as something upon 6 minus something upon 6. What will be the two fractions? This would remain as 5 by 6. And this fraction would become
2 by 6.
2 by 6. Final answer would be
7 by 6.
no, there's a minus between.
3 by 6.
3 by 6 would be equal to 1 by 2. This would be the answer.
Yes, sir.
What would be the LCM of 3, 4, and
So 12.
sorry?
12.
12 would be the answer. So now I need to write all these fractions as something upon 12 plus something upon 12 plus something upon 12. What should I write here?
8 by 12.
8 by 12 plus
9 by 4. 9 by 12.
plus
6 by 12.
shabash. And this will be equal to
23 by 12.
perfect. This will be equal to 23 by 12. Very nice. 23 by 12 would be the final answer. Perfect. What would be the LCM of the denominators?
6.
Okay. So the LCM is 6. 1 by 2 is something upon 6 plus 1 by 3 is something upon 6. 1 by 6 anyways is 1 by 6. What should I write here and here?
3 by 6.
Okay.
By 6.
2 by 6. What will be my final answer?
6 by 6. 1.
By 6 is 1. Perfect. Very nice, Mr. Samson. Shabash. Okay, how should I do this?
So we have to convert it to improper fraction and then
Shabash. What can I write this as? 1 by 3 I can write this as
4 by 3.
3 1 the plus 1 4. 4 by 3 plus what should I write this?
11 by 3.
11 by 3. Shabash. And this will be equal to
15 by 3.
Shabash. And this will be equal to
3 by 1. Or 3.
very nice, Mr. Siddharth. Very nice. The next question, what should I write this 4 as?
Fourteen by 3.
Okay. So
15 by 3 and 12 by 4.
yeah. So when I have 4 2 by 3, I write this as 4 into 3 plus whatever the answer. 4 into 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. So this will be 14 by 3 and 3 1 by 4. So 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So this will be 13 by 4. Now I have to add these two fractions. What will be the LCM of 3 and 4?
12.
12. Very nice. Very nice. 14 by 3. 14 by 3. I need to find the LCM which is 12. Therefore, I can write this fraction as something upon 12 plus this fraction as something upon 12. What should I write here?
Fifty-six upon 12.
Beta, this will be 3 4 the 4 4 the 156. Perfect. 56. And this would be equal to what should I write here?
39 by 12.
4 3 13 into 3 is 39. So what will be my final answer?
95 by 12.
95 by 12. Perfect. Okay. We've done this. We've done this. Okay. What would be the answer of this?
9/5.
9/5. Perfect. Very nice. This would be equal to 9/5. Very nice. What would be the LCM?
6.
So something upon 6 minus something upon 6. What should I write here?
8/6 and 3/6.
What would be my final answer?
5/6.
Perfect. Very nice. Okay. So now we'll do this word problem, question number 2. Try to do this. Okay. So Sarita bought 2/5 meter of a ribbon and Lalita 3/4. What is the total length? So I need to add 2/5 and 3/4. My LCM would be, Sarthak, what would be the LCM?
20.
So something upon 20 plus something upon 20. What should I write here?
8/20.
And what should I write here?
15/20.
My final answer would be 23/20 meter. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try to do this. Question number 3. Okay. 1/2 I can write as 3/2. 1/3 I can write as 4/3. I need to add these two. LCM of 2 and 3 would be
6.
6. 3/2 is something upon 6. What should I write here?
8/6 and 9/6.
Okay. And what will be my final answer?
17/6.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try to do this question on your own. Question number 4. A, B, C. All the 3 parts. So Sarthak, there is a trick to solve these questions. Just have a look at how do I solve the first question. So the trick is I take the LCM of 8 and 4. What would be the LCM of 8 and 4?
8.
8 would be the LCM. Now see what I do. 5/8 is already, denominator is already 8. I write 1/4 as something upon 8. What would be the something here?
2/8.
2/8. Perfect. Now see what I do. This
So
is
7/8 minus
perfect.
5/.
Perfect. Perfect. Very nice. So I'll write 7 here. So for example, in the B part also, you need to take the LCM of 5 and 2 and then do like this. In this question also, C part also, take a LCM of 2 and 6 and then try to do the question. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it. Okay, Mr. Sarthak. So the LCM of 5 and 2 would be 10.
10. Yes.
So I can write this as something upon 10 is equal to something upon 10. What should I write here?
2 by 10 and 5 by 10.
Shabash. So therefore, this would also be equal to something upon 10 minus 2 upon 10 is equal to 5 upon 10, and this something would be
7 by 10.
7 by 10. So my answer would be 7 by 10. So Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Next question. LCM of 2 and 6 would be
6.
6. So I can write 1 by 2 as something upon 6 minus
3 by 6.
Shabash. I can write this as 3 by 6. Now this I can write as 3 by 6 minus something upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 6. And this something would be
4 by 6.
2 by 6. So this would be equal to 2 by 6 would be the answer. But I can write 2 by 6 as 1 by 3 also. So this answer would be 1 by 3. Sarthak, is there a problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Now see, in this part, fifth question, we need to add when we go towards this side. So 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 would be equal to, what should I write here?
6 by 3.
6 by 3, perfect. Or I can write this as 2. What should I write here? 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 would be equal to
1 or 3 by 3.
3 by 3. This would be equal to 1. Is there a problem?
No, sir.
Now when I'm going towards this side, then I need to subtract. So 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 would be equal to
1 by 3.
Shabash. 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3 would be equal to
2 by 3.
Shabash. And 2 minus 1 would be equal to
1.
very nice. Similarly, this part. Can you try to do this part? Just try to solve this. This would be equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. This would be equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. This would be equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. This would be 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Can you solve and tell me the answers?
So
Mr. Sarthak, have you got these answers?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. So the final answer that we will get here would be 5 by 6 minus 7 by 12. This would be 10 by 12 minus 7 by 12, 3 by 12. And this would be equal to 1 by.
But,
Have you understood?
yes, sir.
Okay. ठीक है, answer that we will get here. Mr. Sarthak, I'll explain you how to do these questions 6, 7, 8, 9, and you need to do these as homework. Yeah, I'll explain to you how to do these. So piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece was 1 by 4. How long is the other piece? What I need to do? Do I need to add the?
Find the LCM and then we have to subtract.
Yes, sir. Very nice. Very nice. 7 by 8 meter minus 1 by 4 meter. When you solve this, you will get the answer as uh, 5 by 8 meters. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So seventh question. Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometer from our house, from our school. We walked some distance and then she took a bus for half kilometer to reach the school. How far did she walk? So the
9 by 10 minus 1 by 2.
very nice, very nice. So 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2. Is it okay? Now I can write this as 9 by 10 minus 5 by 10, 4 by 10. I can write this as 2 by 5 meter. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
You need to do these questions again. Eighth question. Asha and Samuel have bookshelves of the same size, partly filled with books. Asha's shelf is 5/6 full. Samuel's shelf is 2/5 full. Whose bookshelf is more full? How should we do this?
We can cross multiply or we can use the equivalent. equivalent.
Yeah, we can find the equivalent fraction. You are absolutely right. So I need to find the LCM of 6 and 5. LCM of 6 and 5 would be 30. I can write this as 25 by 30. I can write this as 12 by 30. So which will be the bigger shelf?
Asha's.
Asha's would be bigger. This is the bigger. And by what fraction? I need to subtract 25 by 30 and 12 by 30. The answer would be 13 by 30. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Let's do the last question. Jaidev takes 2.5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7 by 4 minutes. Who takes less time and by what fraction? So 2, 1 by 5, I can write it as
11 by 5.
5 into 2 plus 1, 11 by 5. This is already 7 by 4. LCM of 5 and 4 would be
20.
20. Perfect. So this would be 44 by 20. This would be 35 by 20. So who takes less time?
35 by 20.
Rahul takes less time. And by what fraction? I need to subtract 44 by 20 and 35 by 20. What will be the answer?
9 by 20.
9 by 20. Perfect. So, Mr. Sarthak, these are a bit difficult questions. They need some practice. So what I'll suggest is that try to do all these questions again. Exercise 7.6. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
You need to do these questions again because these are difficult questions.